Ozone O3 is an allotrope of oxygen O2, carried by an oxygen molecule with an oxygen atom O. It is highly unstable state, especially greatly affected by temperature. At room temperature, ozone is a light blue gas. It smells like the air after a thunderstorm. It's a powerful oxidizing agent used in sterilization, deodorizing, bleaching, and breaking down chemicals. After use, it breaks down into oxygen O, water H2O, or carbon dioxide CO2, leaving behind no harmful residues. That's why it's often called a natural purifier. It occurs in nature mainly from thunder and lighting. Ozone dissolves in water much better than oxygen does, about 10 to 15 times more soluble, but it doesn't stay stable for long in water. Ozone is a strong oxidizer but breaks down easily. Under normal conditions, its half-life is about 20–25 minutes. It loses more than half of its strength within an hour. In water, it breaks down even faster within about 16 minutes in a 1% solution. Heat and moisture speed up its decomposition. According to the International Health Organization, ozone is more effective at killing bacteria like E. coli than many common disinfectants. The ranking of effectiveness is: ozone, hypochlorous acid, chlorine dioxide, silver ions, hypochlorite, ferrate, chloramine. Ozone is a powerful tool for sterilization, oxidation, bleaching, and odor removal. It works fast, is effective against a wide range of germs, is eco-friendly, easy to use, and cost-effective. Ozone destroys microorganisms through a biochemical process in 3 main ways. It directly attacks bacteria and viruses, breaking down their cell walls, and damaging their essential genetic material DNA or RNA. It oxidizes and breaks down key components like proteins and fats inside the cell. This disrupts the microbe's ability to function, grow, and reproduce. It penetrates the cell membrane, causing the cell to become leaky, and eventually burst, a process called cell lysis. It also destroys toxins left behind by the dead germs. This method, which physically breaks cells apart, is one of the most thorough ways to sterilize. The raw material of an ozone generator is oxygen, with a concentration of around 93%. When electrified, it acts on the ozone tube to produce high concentrations of ozone, which can be used in various applications such as aquaculture, swimming pools, medical care, food processing and storage, agriculture, etc. The Is ozone generator adopts the principle of corona discharge. By generating corona discharge through high-frequency and high-voltage electric fields, oxygen molecules O are ionized and decomposed into active oxygen atoms O. Reactive oxygen atoms rapidly combine with oxygen molecules to ultimately generate pure ozone O3. High-quality ozone tubes include quartz tubes, ceramic tubes, or enamel tubes are generally used, and the appropriate discharge medium is selected based on the output production of ozone. And for high-concentration ozone generators, they are all equipped with oxygen generators. According to the specific usage scenario of the customer, there can be different cooling methods such as air cooling and water cooling. Depending on difference of cooling methods, We offers two types of ozone generator. One is like XTWO, with water cooling, oxygen generator, quartz tube below output 100 grams per hour. It is suitable for water treatment. The other is like XTAO, with air cooling. Can be optional with oxygen generator and without oxygen generator, quartz tube or ceramic tube. Below output 100 grams per hour. It is suitable for air treatment. Above output 100 grams per hour, it needs to equip the enamel tubes. More stable and larger output. Depending on difference of cooling methods. Is Ozone provides XLZ bipolar ionizer for air purification. XDOZ wall-mounted ozone generator for livestock farms. XST portable ozone generator for drinking water treatment. XTWO ozone generator for water treatment. And large ozone generator plants above output 500 grams per hour. Is Ozone's oxygen generators fall into two categories, PSA and VPSA. Among these, the VPSA type stands out for its greater energy efficiency. Every ozone generator we produce comes with a standard performance log card. The device performance log card continuously tracks real-time usage and maintenance data. If there are any device issues, customers only need to transmit the contents of the storage card to our engineers through the network, and they will diagnose and solve the problem in a timely manner. The system completely eliminates challenges such as unfamiliarity with equipment operation, difficulty in troubleshooting, or lack of maintenance knowledge. Our manufacturer provides real-time remote support and quick solutions to ensure worry-free after-sales service. Is Ozone Precision Ozone Generation. Guaranteed performance.